right.
I see some tire tracks.
Yeah. Looks like mainly from yesterday.
Yeah, I don't see any from today though.
I gotta take some air back out. It's freaking too slippery.
Yeah.
Till you get down there.
Yeah.
I bet you stir it up down there just a couple times, down at the bottom.
I'm good on that for right now. Maybe this afternoon.
Yeah. I'm not out here to hurt myself. And it's slick.
And it's not like we ain't come up it 100 times.
I want to come up this side where Jason's standing over here. They say that's the hard side. But yeah, that'll be.
So, you know, at the bottom you hang it right, and that's where the off-camber stuff is.
If you hang a left, you can go on that off camber over here.
Oh yeah, that's right. That would bring us out right back over there, and it's not as hard as this side of the off-camber.
You don't have that big tree to go around.
Yeah.
But I think you should be off camber. You should do everything you can to have your brake against the side. So as slick as it is, you see where I fell?
Yeah. I didn't have the camera on though.
Yeah.
I know, after finally knowing where the off-camber stuff was, you know, we came out here, and we did it the first time, the leaves ain't started falling.
Yeah.
Man, that was rough.
Yeah, when we did it, when I fell.
Yeah, because you said, hey, this is the trail I fell on.
Yeah. So if I'm gonna go back.
Hold on. If I'm not mistaken, we keep going that way.
Yeah, I'm gonna go that way, and it'll bank hard to the right.
To the right, we come back around there.
Yeah, well, I seen it over here when we come up.
Yep.
Is that a pretty good pace? I mean,
Oh, I'm fine.
I don't think we could go much faster.
Nah.
Without hurting ourselves.
I am perfectly happy with how fast we're going.
Okay. How's your suspension feel? Better? Hard to tell?
Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell.
Yeah.
Because I'm doing this everywhere, so I don't really know if I'm planted or not. I think I am, and then I'm like, no, I'm not.
Yeah. Yeah, a couple times I'm like, I know I'm gonna fall.
I mean, it's definitely handling like roots and rocks better. That's not throwing me all over the place.
Yeah, so at least you don't have to tend with that.
Yeah. That to me was the hardest part.
All right.